Hello, everyone. Wish you a good day. Welcome to my DIYTechTrends channel. In this video, I will show you 2 simple ways to unlock at home that anyone can do. Let's start now. Take your time to understand every step. If you're stuck on anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you out. Where are you from? Leave a comment to let me know. It's amazing to think that we can talk to people from all around the world. Be sure to try this idea and write to me. I'm so glad to see you on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's wonderful to see your support. Which idea do you like best? Please leave your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching our video. If you like these ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Next we will see how to unlock the second one. Hi, guys. Today let's show you how to open it. The rope lock. It's forgotten the password. This kind of lock is very common, but sometimes for some reason, we've forgotten its password. And how do we? Well, you can open it. If you give up, it is a waste and a pity. If you open it, it will be difficult. For those who don't know how, I'm going to guide you today the way we can open it, this rope lock, in a very easy way. If the principle of this lock is that Now, this lock has 6 numbers, and there are 4 rounds. Each of these rings will have a leaf. The metal inside, let it be its duty. It will block that. Stop this lock slot to keep it from shaking. If you can pull it out. Mission. If we want to open it, we have to. The groove of that metal will be the same straight line. That way, we can get this lock out. So we're going to have to look for SAO. The grooves of these metals. Find that slot on these 6 numbers. Now, we don't know which channel it is. If any number has a slot, if we can open it, we'll have to find it. We're going to turn it around. Go from number 1 to number 6, and check the groove, the slot. The gap between the numbers is tight or loose. In case if the hole is, it's very tight, that's the slot. It is being up continuously with no old slot type. If it's tight, it will be locked. It's going to be in a position where it's going to have a gap. Then the high probability is that position, it's an open slot. Then we'll give the number 1 check in turn. In turn, we will take the paper dagger. So we'll just slip in here. We'll separate in. We separate. Or we can use this nail. We put it in. It makes me feel the most easily, because his nails it will know the tightness, the fluidity of this slot. So we can use our nails. I'm going to use my nails now. M. Number of years, tight. Number 6. Tight. Number 2. Number 2 liquid. Number 2 liquid. We can withdraw. Continue. We're going to move number 1. Check number 1. Slot number 1 is slot. Pretty tight. Number 2. Number 2 is a little loose. Number B. We'll see, one by one. Let's see how fluid and how tight that ring is. 4 quite tight. Number 6. Very hard. Number 2. Number 2. It feels so good. Tight back to 2. So these 2 numbers are pretty fluid. Do you see when their slot is the feeling is right. It's this slot that's loose, guys. Let's continue to look at the next series. Number 1 answer number 2. Number 2 for tightening. Number B. The feeling. We put our nails in it hard. If we separate it, we feel it's tight. So that slot is very tight. So there's no slot. Tight. That's 665. Keep going. Keep getting up. 6. 1. This one is quite loose. 2 too tight. It's what you feel when you feel them. We put our fingernails in it to see if it's tight right away or loose. Is the extent of it. Oh yeah, this is it, you see? So that's when we put its slot in. Hey, we can see that the nail is very easy to put in. It's very easy to separate. Here's its principle. It's going to be the slot. It's blocking. It's going to be blocking. It's a metal leaf. It's going to block. We're not going to be able to withdraw. You see, but the principle is this. Then if we put this open position, we just got out. I don't see that in the leaves. In metal, it's the same thing. You'll notice, we rotate this. This metal leaf, it's going to lock it. It's going to lock this slot. Our job is to arrange. It's the same straight line. Then it will open. So here we go. Let's show you what it is. Structure of this. If we understand its principle, we will open many different types of examinations. It's just that we're going to lose a little, and we feel it. When we open a lot, we'll find it's very easy. I'm going to rip this off for you. Easy. I see, it's a little hard. It's our job to sort these slots. It's empty. Into a straight line. Then we are new. Just open. That's the principle. Please try it, and if it doesn't work, leave a comment. I wish you good luck. See you later. Which idea do you like best? Please leave your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked these ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.